Welcome to Zing Somerset's Food for Thought, and we're continuing our Fundamentals of Nutrition series with protein. Over the next 5 minutes, we will explain why we need protein in our diet, what protein is actually made from, and where we find it in our food. So why do we need protein? It's the building block for all of our muscles. So we need it for our muscles to grow, repair, and maintain their strength. And actually, we all have muscles to look after, not just athletes and bodybuilders. Our muscles allow us to stand up, walk, run, and play. Even our heartbeat and breathing are controlled by muscles. Protein also has lots of other roles in our body. So hemoglobin is a protein in our blood which transports oxygen around our body. The digestion of food in our intestines is done by proteins, and recognizing infections from bacteria and viruses is also done by proteins. But what actually is it? Well, protein itself is a generic term. There are actually hundreds of different types of protein. The building blocks of proteins are called amino acids, and these join together in long chains to make proteins. There's hundreds of different combinations of amino acids, and each different combination makes a different protein. Our body makes lots of different proteins, and they all have different jobs to do. So each of these coloured spots represents a different amino acid, and these can be joined in different orders to create a different protein, such as the variety shown on screen here. So why do we need to eat it? Our body makes its own protein. Why do we need it from food? Well, actually, our body can only make some of the amino acids from scratch, and the others have to be consumed via our food and drink, and these are called essential amino acids. If we don't eat enough of the essential amino acids in particular, our body can't make all of the proteins that it needs. So where do we find it in our food? There are lots of well-known sources of protein, such as meat and poultry, fish, eggs, and milk and milk products. But there are some also lesser known sources of protein, such as yogurt, beans and pulses and lentils. Shown here is some hummus made from chickpeas, nuts and peanut butter and other nut butters, and a few vegetables such as spinach. So our take-home message for protein is that we should aim to eat a variety of foods which will make sure we fuel our bodies with enough protein and all of the essential amino acids. If we don't eat a variety of different things, we can miss out on important nutrients that our body cannot make from scratch, and this can lead us to deficiencies and health problems.